This is the Milwaukee M12 H, which is a 12 volt SDS cordless drill. This drill is very small and compact, and it is also incredibly light. At first I wasn't that impressed with this drill because I was trying to compare it to a larger SDS drill such as an 18 volt etc. This is actually ideal if you need to do jobs where you are working at height. You can hold it at arm's length, absolutely no problem at all, and you can quite easily use it with one hand. I've actually owned this drill about 5 years now, and if I am doing any fixing to a masonry wall, this is the drill of choice. It's absolutely superb. It is so lightweight and so easy to use. It's very similar to all the other Milwaukee 12 volt tools. So to start off with, we have a forward and reverse selector. Push that with your thumb and it will go in reverse. Push it on the other side with your finger, it will then go in the forward direction. The trigger is a variable speed trigger from 0 to 800 RPM. At the front there we have a selector switch. You can have normal drilling mode only, or you can switch it to hammer action. If you're drilling concrete, the maximum drilling diameter is 13 millimeters. If you're drilling metal, it's 8 millimeters, and if you're drilling wood, it's 10 millimeters. To be honest, I don't normally use a SDS machine to drill wood or metal. I normally exclusively only use them when drilling masonry. On the front of this we've got a decent LED work light which can help you out in dark conditions. If you use the 1.5 amp hour battery pack, it gives you 32 Newton meters of torque, and if you use the larger 3 amp hour battery pack, it gives you 40 Newton meters of torque. The good thing about using the larger batteries such as the 3 amp hour or the 4 amp hour is that you can actually stand the drill up. If you use the smaller 1.5 amp hour or the 2 amp hour, you can't actually stand the drill up. So it is better using the larger capacity batteries, and obviously they give you more torque. If you're using any SDS drill, it's always a good idea to apply some silicone grease to the end of the drill bit, and that will ensure that you get the maximum amount of life from the chuck. You don't need to do this very often. I probably only do it every couple of months. Then to put the drill into the chuck, you simply push it in and twist it until it pushes all the way in. To remove it, simply pull back on that collar and pull the bit out. I think I paid about £150 for this 5 years ago, and it has been an absolutely fantastic drill. Over the years I've used this drill plenty of times, and I've used it when installing plenty of security cameras etc. because it's so handy, because you can actually use it from the top of a ladder. You can very easily drill a hole in tough masonry using this, using just one hand. As with most of the Milwaukee gear, this does have a charge indicator on it to tell you the charge in the battery. You can do me a massive favour by clicking the subscribe button, then the bell icon to receive notifications. If you can also like and share the video, that would be fantastic, as it really helps me out. I've used this drill extensively for fixing to brick. I've also used it on concrete block. A drill like this is absolutely superb when you come to harder bricks such as engineering bricks etc. A traditional hammer drill can really struggle, but this drill can actually power its way through virtually anything. If you're installing small diameter concrete anchors or you're using wall plugs, this drill is absolutely ideal. It's so light and easy to use that you can quite easily use it all day long with no fatigue. I'm now just going to do a quick test comparing this 12 volt SDS drill to a 18 volt cordless hammer drill. That is a very capable drill, by the way. It does drill masonry very well, but it's not a patch on this. You'll actually notice when you're using one of these, they actually require very little effort to drill holes using a SDS machine. You can see that the SDS drill won in that demonstration, and I have to say that it is very difficult using two drills at the same time. But it's the amount of effort required to drill the holes. The SDS drill takes a lot less effort to hold, etc. I hope you found this video useful. If you have and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel.